In a previous video, we looked at creating projects and adding existing users to that project. Today, I want to talk about adding new users altogether to the system and also, in general, a little bit about user management. If you are a web admin, you can add new employees and team members as Aligned Elements users into your Aligned Elements servers using this Manage Users view. In this list, you can see all the available users, including some basic information about them. For more information, like getting a list of which projects they belong to, click on this button. If you want even more information, like what user groups they belong to in the respective projects, click on the button again. To register a new user, click on this button, Register New User, and fill out the form. Remember to write the username correctly, since it cannot be changed after user creation. Also note that the username is case sensitive at login, so pay attention to large and small letters. Now, once done, the user will receive an email with a link to click on and then set their personal password. Note that for security reasons, this email link will expire after 24 hours. Therefore, it might not be ideal to register new users on a Friday evening if they don't access their email until Monday morning. Now, once the user has set a password, this column will change from resend to a checkmark. You can use the resend link to send a new email with a new link if the link expires or if the user has lost the email. Now, the next step would be to assign the user to relevant projects. You can do this from Manage Users by editing the user. First, we want to show the project like this. Then we click Edit in the user. And in this drop-down, we can now assign the person to one or more projects. We click Save, and the user now will belong to those projects as soon as we have assigned user groups to that person. This action adds the user to the selected project, and if done for the currently logged in user, then that user needs to log out and log in again to see his new access possibilities. So we have now added a regular user, granting him default permissions. Now, if you would like to elevate this user to a web admin, you can do this using the Manage Permissions view. You would then need to check a checkbox and then click Save to make those changes. That will give that person web admin rights. Those rights entail then all the rights to the right here in these columns. If you would like to assign a subset of these rights to the users, then select the respective checkbox in each column. When a user leaves the organization or for some other reason should no longer have access to aligned elements, you can use Manage Users, find the user, click Edit, and then disable that user. From this point, the user will no longer be able to log in to Aligned Elements. Furthermore, this will also disable the user in all projects to which he has been assigned. Now, a user can turn up as disabled if they have tried to log in with an incorrect password too many times, given that your Aligned server has been configured in this way. Now, as a web admin, you can then unlock that user by ticking the disable checkbox to enable that user again and grant that user access to the server again. More information about user management can be found in the user manual. Good luck with your user management.